What's up, guys? Welcome to another beautiful Friday. My name is Kakidat. In this YouTube channel, I will show you guys how you can create some digital painting, character illustration, and more, and also how to draw. So for now, I'm just showing you guys the few ones that I will show you guys for now. Okay. So today is another beautiful Friday. This beautiful Friday we are gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how you can create some scramble art. Very easy to do, and you don't need to struggle about the lines because I've already created a brush for that. So the brush will be located on my description, so just go there and click it and download the brush. And for those my friends, for those my subscribers that are asking for smudge brushes, okay, I will also link that one below so you can see download that one still. Yeah, so and if you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button because that is very important, and also turn the notification bell on. If you like my content, then do so. And also if you want to be in the community of art and you want to know what I can do in the future, then do so still. So after this short break, I'll show you guys how you can create the easy scramble art. And in this part, I'm gonna use my own photograph for it. Okay, see you guys after this break. Hello guys, welcome back to the screen. Yeah, I know this is my photograph. This is a photograph of me. I think I'm gonna use my own picture because I definitely need to have my own scramble art. So you can use your image too. So first of all, what I did, I just traced the background out of the picture. If you can see, here is the original image. So I just traced the background. Definitely you need to trace it off. You need to take it out of the background. So then you just have to turn it to black and white, rescale the image to black and white, then just merge it together. Yes, so what you just have to do again, we are going to use layer mask here because I think that mask of a thing. I told you guys before that you can use layer mask for many things. If you watch my previous video I did on how I manipulate that image inside a lady, then you will understand. So here is what you're going to do again. Then just give it a layer mask, then press your Ctrl I. Very easy. Then this is the brush I told you guys about that I have on my description below. Yeah, look at it, it's called Paint 2. So I've already created a brush already, so you don't need to bother yourself on it. Yes, all you just have to do is to increase the brush, then you paint on this dark layer, which is the one we just use the Ctrl I for. So in the layer mask, then just paint over it. So I think what I have to do here is let's just reduce the image so it will be in the middle, so we can easily get the concept where. So yeah. Just keep on doing it, and see, we are bringing it out already. Just keep doing it till you get those go outside the box, and you see you also paint outside the box. So just very easy. when you are using this brush. It's very, very easy. Can reduce the brush. Go back to same inbox. They're just playing around with the brush, and that is the only way we can get this scramble, because I think if we are doing it like this, I think that would take a lot of time. But using this pattern that I've already created, the lines that I've already created, it's very, very, very easy to work with like that. So just so if we are not getting it correctly, then you create you go to your exposure. So it's exposure. So once you come to your exposure, you just have to increase some certain things here so that you get the darkness in this image. It's like you're bringing the dark part of it, so you can easily lighten it, and so you get those little details on it. So it's very, very, very easy. Just for you to follow the same process that I'm following right now, and definitely you come out and you do something like this perfectly. So if you still don't like if you still don't like what you have already, then you can still keep on adding the lines if you feel like, if you think you are not satisfied with what you are doing, then keep on adding the lines. But you can easily reduce it and increase it, so it depends on you and depend on what you want to achieve in your Scribble art, you know, what you want to achieve. So and you can also, it's very, very easy to also change colors. You know, it's like this pattern you are using now is very easy to change colors. I will show you because of how you can easily change colors still, and you will still get an amazing thing from this. So yeah, I think I'm satisfied with this. Let me keep working a little bit and see what we can get from this. from this process now, it's very easy to change color. You can just create a new layer, then you go to solid colors. This solid color, you can just give it a red, and hold your alternate and right click the box. You see, it's very easy. Then you come to color, you change it to color, and just see, you will still have that color lines, but for now let me just remove it because it's not working well for me right now. So I just delete it. Yes. So yeah, this is very easy how you can create your scramble. You can also invert this one to white, and same with this, and this, you see, you will still have the portrait there. So it's very easy to work with like this. I think I'm satisfied with this, but let me turn it back to white and black. So I think if I want to go beyond on this black and white, it will be more intriguing. It's like adding, tracing the colors, and also trying to find some edges and also bring it out. So I think which one do you suggest, black or white? I think white and black is okay. White and black. Let's see. Interesting. Well, let's work on something here and see what we are going to get here. It's in black. It's very easy to work with like this. I think what we just have to do, we just have to reduce this from here a little bit, so we can have some. You can see. Yeah, here's a piece. You see, it's very easy to get, and you can also come down here and just also add a piece, turn this on to white, and just keep doodling around. I think you guys will do better than this. I know you guys will do better than this. So yeah, so that is it. Thank you guys for having this time to watch me do this tutorial, and also if you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please guys, subscribe so that in the future you guys know what I can do for you. And also I'm going to do giveaway as soon as I get to my first 1,000 subscribers. I'm going to do a giveaway. I'm going to pick a random person and also give it. So don't forget to also give it a comment, because through that process I can also pick you from there and also give you what I have for you guys. So thank you guys, and see you guys till next Friday, and also stay creative. Yeah.